Hey guys, it's your girl Chasney, aka CK, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. No, but for real, welcome back. So, okay guys, and I first off want to apologize. I know I was been supposed to have the DIY video up, but it has been a trying time with this technology. So I was having some technical issues, and also trying to become your own nail technician is like a task within itself as well. And my shit kept breaking. It kept breaking, and I just had to keep replacing them, and I couldn't get on camera to like sew and show y'all how to do stuff until my nails was right. I'm sorry, I just couldn't do it. I couldn't do it. But you know what I did do today? I hopped on the camera bare face, okay? Because I wanted to bring you guys this video. I knew you guys have been waiting, and I wanted to hurry up and bring it to you. So I said, you know what? Fuck it. And hopped on the camera bare face. So this is me, okay? This is my channel. This is me. Y'all better accept all of this black girl magic right here, okay, for what it is. Hair, mine. Face, mine. But here we have it. We are here. It is here. The DIY for the Bejeweled beanie. So I was inspired by a beanie that I saw at my job. It had all type of crystals on it, and they were just all types of different shapes. It just looked really cute. So I was like, oh, and I looked at the price tag and I was like, $30.
$40.
Yeah, I didn't want to spend that. So I was like, you know what? I bet I can make my own. So that's what I did. And so I went to Joann's and got my supplies from the vlog you guys seen or whatever. You'll see the beads and stuff that I get. I'll also include it in the description box below in this video, so that you guys know what supplies to get if you would like to make your own. And from being inspired, I did already make my own beanie. Well, hold on. I actually have it right here. So this is the beanie that I made. And so I'll put a picture of the beanie that I was inspired by from Nordstrom. I'll put a picture of that in the video. So I basically did a hybrid of those two. So without further ado, let's get into this DIY so I can show you guys how to make these beanies, okay? Alright guys, so here is the Nordstrom brand beanie. Sorry for how the picture's coming out, but you'll see the little jewels on it, all the different beads, and you kind of get the gist. Just go to Nordstrom.com and type in beanie in the search engine if you want this look from them. But hurry up, they might be phasing out because we are transitioning into spring. So what I'm starting with is my thread, and this is the Sulky brand, S-U-L-K-Y, and this is 100% viscose rayon thread. I know you guys can't see because of the glare of the light, but that's what it is. And you can pick a contrasting color like I did to give it a little bit more pop, or you can pick a thread that is the same color as your beanie. So I'm going to sew on these pearls first. And just to give you guys a little background in thread and like textiles, viscose rayon thread, there is a luxury silky feel to it, and it's very strong. People use it for embroidery mostly, and it comes in over 400 vibrant colors, and embroiderers worldwide choose it to produce high-end products at affordable prices. But people do also use polyester thread because it's more suitable for any type of application. There were people debating about it on different websites online, but this is just what I used. However, I am big on quality, so if that is something that is important to you, you should definitely research your threads and any materials that you're using before you start your project. Hey, and I am not here for y'all to be roasting my feet in these comments, okay? I couldn't help that my foot was in the way. It was the way that I was sitting on my floor doing this. But anyway, also, people with long nails, just be mindful to cut your threads long because they will get in the way just like it did for me just then. So you kind of want to be mindful of that when you're working with needle and thread and sewing. Make sure you're cutting your tails long enough so that your nails, you can tie knots and stuff in the back. I can do you better. Now we have all of our pearls sewn on. And look, it looks kind of cute already with the little pearls on it. So let's move on to the glass beads. You're going to go ahead and cut your bag open. Scissors, you can use your nails, whatever. And now I'm going to pick out which beads I want. They had a variety in this little bag. It's just labeled glass beads. And it's just all different types of goodies in here. So I went ahead and picked through it just to see which ones I wanted to work with. And now that everything's picked out, we're just gonna sew those on as well. Show you why and true. Show you why and true. And they say big girls don't cry. Wait till you see what I can do. It ain't now nigga gon' try you. Got killers all in my crew shit. Strapped up on Pyro. Damu that is who this. Come fuck with me, baby. Cause I'm tryna fuck with you. In any kind of weather, no one can do you better. That pussy, I ain't scared of. Girl, know that. Now I'll be working with the sew-on rhinestones, and they came with a variety of shapes, colors, and sizes. And I'm just gonna place them on the hat. And once I've done that, I'm gonna break out my E6000 glue. This glue is damn near everything. I really like it, but it does have a odor to it. I will say that. It's not super strong, but I feel like if your nose is kind of sensitive, you maybe want to try it out, see if you like it or whatever. And so you can get this at Joann's. You can get this at really any fabric store. And you can use this as fabric glue. You can also use this to glue things onto certain surfaces. I'm sure it has a label on it that says what all it will stick to. And so we're just gonna glue on the shapes. The other thing about this glue is that it might get a little messy. But you can just like as it dries, like if it dries on your skin, like on your fingertips, you can just rub your fingertips together and it'll come off. Kind of like Elmer's glue, but I mean slightly more stickier, but you'll be able to get it off is the point. And now we get into what I like to call the clusters. So I call them clusters because I just basically form a shape with the glue on the fabric, and then I just create a cluster of rhinestones and pearls. I have some more pearls that are different from the ones that I sewed on. They are different sizes, so there's some really small ones, medium size, and some bigger sizes all in one bag. So I use those and bunch them up with a bunch of rhinestones and create a little cluster. But I'll be putting single rhinestones in random little spots as well.
Take a trip, that's a vacay. We don't never pay attention to the naysay. Let the rumors fade away like MJ. Keep your eyes on me, girl, don't look away. I got that magic stick, I'll take your pain away. Lil' mama booty real soft, color anime. Got that youngin' out here thinking about pancakes. And that booty real big like my fan base. Damn, all that on my damn face. And I told her.
Now, after we're done sewing and gluing all our beads and jewels and things, let's go ahead and get our glitter dust. You know you girl have to go and be a little extra, but it's just a spray adhesive with glitter in it. And I put it on the main part of the beanie, not the brim that I did all of my jewels and rhinestones and things on. I sprayed it on the back as well. And this is our finished product. She is pretty.
Everything be like off the top these days. Like these days, I don't even know what a pad is these days. You know? Yeah.
So there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed this DIY bejeweled beanie tutorial, and I really hope you guys go and make some of your own. Also, stay tuned for a blog that I'll be putting out soon. It probably will be another makeup vlog. I do have an artist in mind that I want to do it because I'm gonna get into that Valentine's Day makeup, you know. Keep you guys looking good for your man, because I know I want to look good for mine, so why not help y'all look good for yours, you feel me? So yeah, so I'll definitely be putting that out probably a little closer to Valentine's Day. And also, I just really would like to thank everybody that viewed my video, shared it. Sharing is definitely caring, and y'all was showing that y'all cared about your girl, and I am grateful. Thank you. Like, I didn't not expect for people to support me, but I was definitely felt very grateful and blessed for all of those that did support me. And like, my lookbook has like almost 100 views, and like, that's amazing to me. I mean, that might not be like, I don't know, something to people who are like bigger YouTubers or whatever, but for the little people, I'm like, hey, y'all watching me? Okay, I thought I was boring, shit. But I guess not. So thank you. So you guys, do not forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed already, and definitely click the little bell so you guys can get notifications for whenever I post something new. Definitely like the video, share it. Definitely share this DIY if you have like a friend that's into arts and crafts or into making their own stuff. Definitely share this with them and see what they think. Comment. I thank you so much for the people that have been commenting on my channel. I really thank y'all. I can't remember everybody's name right now, but if I did, I would personally shout you out for sure. But I just want to thank you guys, because it's been really good to like interact with people on the channel, and that's a part of it that I really do like. I do want to interact with you guys. I do want to get your feedback. I do want to, you know, if you guys have questions, I want to be able to answer them in a video or whatever have you. So definitely comment so we can engage, get that communication going. You know, let's be friends, y'all. Let's be friends. I think I'm cool. I'm a pretty cool chick, you know. Why not? Why not be friends, you know? So definitely comment, like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, guys, thank you so much. Look at that sleeve. Ooh, that sleeve action, y'all. I'm so extra.